Good afternoon, student. In last lecture we are already studied valence bond theory and some examples of valence bond theory. Next example of valence bond theory is square planar complexes which having dsp2 hybridization. For example, this complex is, name of this complex is tetracyanonickelate second ion is square planar complex having dsp2 hybridization. In this complex, central metal is nickel. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d8 and 4s2. Then valence shell electronic configuration of nickel is equal to 3d8 and 4s2. We know that in this complex oxidation state of nickel is +2. That means nickel lost 2 electron. Therefore, electrons from last shell, that is 4s2 electrons, are lost by nickel to form nickel +2. Then nickel +2 in ground state is equal to 3d8, 4s0, 4p0. This is the electronic configuration of nickel +2 ion in ground state. Then nickel +2 in block diagram, that is also in ground state, 3d8, this is 3d orbital, 4s orbital and 4p orbital. 3d8 electron which are filled in 3d orbital according to Hund's rule of multiplicity, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the electronic configuration of nickel +2 in block diagram. Then this complex is square planar complex, therefore its hybridization is dsp2. That means central metal nickel +2 provides vacant 1d orbital, 1s orbital and 2p orbital for accept electron pair from the ligands, that are 4 cyano ligands. For vacant d orbital, we have to excite 1d electron from another d orbital. Therefore, nickel +2 in excited state, nickel +2 in excited state, this electron from 1d orbital is transferred to another d orbital. That means pairing takes place. After excitation of electron, electronic configuration of nickel +2 is as, this is 3d orbital, 4s orbital and 4p orbital. For hybridization, we have to necessary 1d orbital, 1s orbital and 2p orbital. Then nickel +2 in hybridized state. In hybridized state, mixing and recasting of orbitals takes place. This is 3d orbital of central metal nickel and these are the 1d, 1s and 2p orbital. 1p orbital remains vacant unhybridized p orbital, which is not necessary to accept electron pair from ligands. Therefore, this is 4 dsp2 hybrid orbital which are make vacant by central metal ion to accept electron pair from 4 cyanide ligands. Therefore, electrons donated by 4 cyanide ligands, these are total 4 electron pairs are donated by cyanide ligand. That means total 12 electrons are donated by 4 cyanide ligand to form 4 coordinate bond with central metal ion. Then geometry, central metal nickel, square planar geometry to form 4 coordinate bond cyanide, cyanide, cyanide and cyanide. This is square planar geometry. In this complex, absence of unpaired electron, that means all 8 electrons are paired. Therefore, this complex is diamagnetic. Diamagnetic due to absence of unpaired electron. Geometry is square planar. And hybridization is DsP2. This is all about valence bond theory. The next point in next lecture.